Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. So guys, do you have earwax buildup and you're trying to figure out how to get it out? You're trying to use a Q-tip, doesn't work very well. You've tried other little tools, doesn't really work. You can't really even see what's in there, so you're just kind of guessing. Well, this little tool made by BEBIRD is actually a earwax remover, but it has a camera and a light built into it. Now you're going to take this thing and you can put it in your ear and you can see. But the first question you're asking me is, how can I see if the camera's in there? Well, you can actually see because they have an app, and I have it on my phone right here. And as you move it around, you can see that the camera is actually working. And you can even download the footage and save it on your computer or look at it on your computer. Also works great with an iPad if you want something a little bit bigger screened. So what all you're going to get with this, by the way, not only do you need to download the app, but you're going to get some things in your box. And like mine came with the little steel cleaners, the things to help get the wax out of the ear. And which I do like because it's steel. A lot of these I see are plastic, they wear out. These are made to last a long time. You're also going to get little replacement tips, just like this here in the bottle. And these little tips just slide over the end so that if you're going to use this between people, you can actually replace the little tips and you can clean them off. It keeps it very hygienic. And you have some other little fittings. You have the little rubber pieces that are open on the end, so the light and the little camera can still go through, but you can kind of inspect. I call these inspection ends. And then I have one that has a bigger paddle for moving kind of your ear out to the side and being able to really see, close. So those are the things that I actually got with mine. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to move you in just a little closer, and we're going to inspect the inside of this rubber steel straw that will simulate an human ear, I think, pretty well, rather than trying to gross you out and check my own ears. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to pull you in real quick. Let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the actual app. I've turned it on. You'll have to set up Wi-Fi on it when you set up the app, and it's just under the BEBIRD. So if you go to your app store, you'll pull that up really quickly just by typing in the name of the brand. Now we're going to take the straw here. We already got the unit on. I've got it synced. You can see now as it gets closer to the straw, like it was the opening of a human ear. And we are going to go inside. And as you go down in here, I'm going further and further in. I can inspect where the rubber is attached to the steel part of the actual straw. Now, if this was a wax buildup, I would grab it and I would pull backwards. Because if you notice, there's the little hook right here. That's going to help you pull stuff out. Now, if it's really messed up, you're going to have to use those little steel tools. Hook one here, like a little spoon. We've got the twist one. Here's another spoon with a slightly bigger curve. And this one is going to actually have a little curve here. And you got another spiral. And we have another little, hooked curve along with our brush. So you're going to get all of those pieces to be able to work. So you basically would just push this on, guys, right here, and then you could slide it in here easier. So it makes it easier to maneuver around so that you're doing more of an inspection. And then you just pull this piece back off just like that. So that's actually how that would work. So when you get done, guys, all you do is you just hold the little button down and it'll go off right there. Now it's actually shut down. And like I said, when you need to charge it, you just put your little Type-C charger right in the back of it here and let it charge up fully before you use it, and that will extend the life of the battery. Now just take it and store it back in your little pack and you're ready to go later. So guys, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars, because as far as an earwax removing tool, it is awesome. Very seldom do you have anything you can literally look inside the ear yourself and not have to have somebody else doing it for you. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we will see you guys on the next one.